to A Cozy Home. I'm Gina, and today I'm going to show you how to take a chef-ready pizza kit and turn it into one of the best pizzas at home that beats carry out. So you gotta preheat your oven to 425. Take both of these packets out, because I'm also going to make cheese sticks. We need to empty both of these in a bowl. And if you use both of the pouches, you need 1 1/3 cup of hot water. And I just let my faucet run till it gets pretty hot. And then you stir this up until it becomes a dough. You just kind of knead it together. And then you need about a tablespoon of oil. And I just do a cupful, and then I just flip it over and do another cupful. And just kind of put it in there so it's not sticky. And then when it's all done like that, you just put a clean, I use a clean kitchen towel, and you gotta cover it for 5 minutes. And I'll be back in just a second. Okay, it's been sitting here for 5 minutes, so I'm gonna spray this pan, because this is the pan that I will use to make breadsticks, or cheese sticks. So I take what I think will be enough of the dough, and just kind of, this dough rises pretty good, so even if you make a thin crust, it turns out to be pretty thick. We'll get this one out of the way, because this one's easy to make. Okay, and then I want to add some cheese. And we like cheesy breadsticks, so I put a fairly amount on it. Let me even this out a little bit more. Okay. Don't put no sauce or nothing on it, just the dough and the cheese. And we'll set that aside, and that'll be ready to go in the oven when the pizza's ready. So now I just take the remaining dough, and if it's ever sticky, just put a little bit of flour on your hands. And you could roll it out with a rolling pin, but I just use my hands. And like I said, this pizza dough will rise, and it makes a pretty good dough. And it's quicker than making homemade dough. And sometimes you'll get a little bit of holes in there, but it's okay, because the dough will rise and cover them up. And I like to leave a little room on the outside, because the dough will stretch and cover most of this pan. So we got that done. Now I take the Chef Boyardee pizza sauce and just dump some on there. And depending how much you like sauce on your pizza, you can add more or less. And I like to have a little left because I like to heat it up in the bowl, and that's what we dip our breadsticks in. So I'm going to add cheese. My oven's ready. And you can add as much or as less as you like, but I make this how me and Brian likes to eat it. It's just me and him, and there's usually a couple pieces left for him to take to work for his lunch. Okay, I like to do pepperonis, and get my scissors out. I can't get that open. Still can't get it open. You'll have to fast forward this. Put as many as you like. I will use both packs because I like pepperonis on my pizza. Well, actually, I don't think I'm going to have to use the other one. That's pretty good. And Brian likes mushrooms on the pizza. I drained most of it out. A little water came out, or a little juice. Now, when the girls were home, mushrooms wasn't allowed to be on the pizza. They couldn't even be on one side because they couldn't touch each other. And we like banana peppers. I can't remember what they're called. So I'm going to put them on there. And you can add olives, sausage, but this is just what me and Brian likes. And that's it. And put it in the oven. Start checking about 20 minutes after you get it in there. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, just took the pizza out of the oven. There it is. And here's the cheese sticks. And there's Brian's plate. How do you rank it?
It's pretty good stuff. I like it. It's about the best pizza I could get.
Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.
Bye.